Hello, last time I showed you how to do a detachable headphone cable mod. Today I'm going to show you how to add the new 3.5mm TRS jack to the remaining cable from that mod. This is a great way to save a high quality stock cable and make it usable for this new project without buying a new audio cable, which saves you money. By the end of this video, you will have a 3.5mm to 3.5mm audio cable. To do this, you need a replacement 3.5mm jack, the 3-pole type for a stereo cable, and of course some tools and a soldering iron set. First, slide the jack housing onto the cable. Carefully remove the cable's outer jacket without damaging the internal wires. Then separate the wires for soldering. Next, tin the wires to make soldering easier. This also improves the quality of the connection. The next step is very important. Using a multimeter in impedance mode, check the wires from the jack contacts to the wire ends. This is critical because to solder the jack correctly, you need to know which color is for the right, left, and ground contacts. In my case, blue is left, gold is ground, and red is right. But remember, in your case, there might be different colors or a different color layout. Always check, then tin the jack contacts to improve the solder quality. Cut the ground wire shorter and solder it to the corresponding contact on the jack. Then use the jack's cable clamp to fix the cable in place. This helps the repair last longer. Cut the left channel wire to the necessary length and solder it. Do the same for the final right channel wire, and the soldering task is complete. Next, apply some super glue to the jack clamp and put heat shrink tubing over it. This will create an excellent fix. Take your grandfather's nail polish and apply it to the wires. This helps avoid short circuits in the future. After that, add a bit more super glue and screw the jack housing shut. Then use a multimeter to check if the wiring is correct and ensure no short circuits were created during the process. For the last step, take some heat shrink tubing that is slightly longer than the jack housing and a bit smaller in diameter. Use pliers to stretch the tubing so it's large enough to fit over the jack. Slide it onto the cable. Add super glue where the cable enters the jack and apply the heat shrink. This will make the cable connection super duper strong, and the cable will work for years without any problems. And this is the result, a simple and easy way to add a 3.5mm jack to a cable end. You can use this same technique to replace a broken jack as well. Good luck, and as always, I am open to questions.